DJM TV.
Country people, una welcome to DJM TV weekly pidgin English news. I beg, if this one are the first time when you don't take the serious, make you subscribe and follow us for our social media platforms. For website, na www.djntv.news. Make you subscribe there because now there will be summer 24/7 news, no shaking. Then for our YouTube, now be DJM TV. Make you subscribe there too. Then make you not forget to knock your hand for the notification bell. Sake of say, as you knock your hand, anytime we knock news come out, you go always receive one straight and direct for your phone. Again, make you like our page for Facebook, now DJM TV. Then make you not forget to follow us for Twitter, now still DJM TV. Yes, for some time now, we don't see say yes. So many matters on the ground, but the matter when it just the hot now for the past 2 weeks, now be the answers matter for Nigeria. Now, the person when it be say you can't switch pass now, when it be say now be my correct babo, you know say for inside men they see men. Inside governors they see governor. That one name be Governor Abdulrazak Abdurrahman of Kwara State. Now, sake of say, inside the way youth for Kwara State don't take come out, join the NSAS protest to make sure say yes, the way police people take begin youth for the whole area, you know like you to come join the protest. So he can't join them, they follow them, they walk out, they go, they shout as they go. Say police brutality, it must stop. The way that they begin youth, they kill people anyhow, must stop. You see I'm saying I bring correct man the way he take follow them for the NSAS protest. Now the next story, so now we don't want to consider that our Oga, the correct son, when we dey call SAN, when the name be Femi Falana. Now that correct Oga for law don't come out say, na big wrong, wado, nine Presido Muhammadu Buhari don't do for our constitution. Sake of say, he go appoint person when we be APC, All Progressive Congress, card holder, party member to come become INEC, Independent National Electoral Commission, commissioner, when INEC supposed to be the one they call referee, when not they join anybody. So it contact as a big thing. Nine President Buhari don't do against the constitution. If every big oga like Femi Falana really they stand, they talk about any bad thing when government do. I don't think say everywhere go good for us. Even me and you too, you when they look me so. If we continue to stand the way our youth now they get sake of the NSAS protest, NSWAT protest, Nigeria go better for all of us. Now then we go drop the curtain for our pidgin English weekly news for DJM TV. I want to see beg una again o. If you don't they see us before, you don't they watch us before, we want time kuna for the ongoing time when I don't say they deal with us. And because it get other correct country people when they say that they support us, that they support us with so many things. Now, the first one I want your first knock name, so let me Arize Agolonu. Inside there, we still get Favor Olamide, Ada Dollars Ville, GKH Foundation, Cheesy, Umwadike, If That TV, and Anointed Lady TV. Una too correct. So I give una big buzzer for all the support una don't they give us all this time. For others now, when I not physically call the name, it not mean say una they support us, una still do well. So make una continue they support us so that we go continue the summer una hot news as them they share it. Now listen for hot news matter. Now they see DJM TV. So I beg make una continue they subscribe to our YouTube channel when we DJM TV and make you not forget to knock out for the notification bell once you don't subscribe. Again, make you follow us on Twitter, now DJM TV. And also for Facebook, make you like our page now DJM TV. And the big of them all, 9B, our website will be www.djmtv.news. There na 24/7 within the knack news. So like I talked before, na here we go draw the curtain. Until next time when we go come again, come knack una the hot tori as e don shele. My name na Stanley Okocha.
DJN TV.